This fruit tart is made in layers, very simple and quick to put together. You will need 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Sift the dry ingredients together and then butter your baking pan. Ready to place the first layer of flour and sugar. The second layer is your fruit. I used 6 apples and a handful of berries. The next layer is 6 tablespoons of butter. The next layer is 2 beaten eggs with 1 teaspoon vanilla. And then also half a cup of brown sugar. Optional, you may also add raisins, cinnamon, walnuts, and it's ready to bake in a medium oven for half an hour. If you have some whipped cream and some raspberry juice, you can make pink whipped cream for the topping. Enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.